Did you know your body can actually repair damaged nerves if it gets the right fuel? Millions of people suffer from numbness, tingling, or burning sensations in their hands and feet, often blaming old age or neuropathy. But what if I told you that a single, often overlooked vitamin could help regenerate nerve cells naturally, something most doctors never emphasize? This vitamin doesn't just mask symptoms. It helps rebuild the protective sheath around your nerves and supports proper signal transmission throughout your body. Imagine waking up without that constant buzzing pain, feeling your hands and feet again, and having real energy flow through your body. Sounds impossible. It's not, and today, you'll learn exactly how it works, backed by real science and clinical data. Keep watching, because in just a few minutes, I'll reveal which vitamin plays this powerful role and how you can start using it safely to restore your nerve health naturally. Your nervous system is made up of billions of cells called neurons, tiny electrical messengers that control everything you feel and do. When these neurons get damaged due to diabetes, toxins, or poor nutrition, communication breaks down, leading to neuropathy symptoms. But here's the good news. Research shows that certain nutrients can actually repair the nerve cell structure, particularly the myelin sheath, a fatty layer that insulates and protects nerve fibers. One of the most scientifically validated vitamins for this is vitamin B12, especially its active form, methylcobalamin. Multiple studies have found that methylcobalamin promotes axonal regeneration, helps rebuild the myelin sheath, and improves nerve conduction velocity. That means your body can literally start rebuilding nerve tissue from the inside out. If you or someone you love struggles with nerve pain, hit that like button, because next, I'll show you how this vitamin does what most medications can't. Vitamin B12 is essential for DNA synthesis, red blood cell formation, and, most importantly, nerve health. It supports a process called methylation, which allows your body to repair and maintain the nervous system. When you're deficient, your nerves lose their ability to send signals properly, causing numbness, burning, and weakness. Methylcobalamin, the bioactive form of B12, helps restore nerve function by promoting protein synthesis and reducing inflammation within the nervous system. It has even been shown to help regenerate nerve fibers in conditions like diabetic neuropathy and spinal cord injury. In short, B12 doesn't just stop further nerve damage, it helps reverse it. And unlike many synthetic drugs, it works with your body's natural healing systems. Don't skip ahead, because next, we'll talk about the foods and supplements that deliver the most powerful forms of B12 for nerve healing. You can find vitamin B12 in animal-based foods like eggs, fish, beef, and dairy, but here's the catch: your body's ability to absorb B12 decreases with age or certain gut issues. That's why even if you eat a healthy diet, you might still be deficient. To fix that, many experts recommend taking a B12 supplement, specifically in the methylcobalamin form, rather than cyanobalamin, the cheaper, synthetic version. Methylcobalamin is more easily absorbed and used directly by your nervous system. For people with neuropathy, doctors often suggest sublingual tablets, sprays, or even B12 injections for faster results. Combine this with other nerve-supportive nutrients like alpha-lipoic acid, B1-benfotiamine, and B6, and you'll supercharge the repair process even more. If you want me to make a full video on the best foods and supplement combos for nerve regeneration, comment B12 Heal below. Now that you know the science, here's the bottom line: nerve damage doesn't have to be permanent. With consistent nutrition, especially the right form of vitamin B12, your body can rebuild damaged nerve tissue and reduce painful symptoms over time. Clinical trials have